One day, I'm gonna kill that man.
I'm going to say a name to you, and you can react however you like. Dan Carter. How often do you get asked about, in inverted commas, that tackle?
It's actually a very funny story. We would play against each other with Super Rugby, and we became friends and foes. At the time, at the Sharks, Dick Meir was our coach, and he wanted us to not be professional rugby players. And he got me into this insurance brokerage. And the lady who worked with me, she loved Dan Carter with all her heart. So Dan Carter was a jockey model. She would talk about Dan Carter every day of my life.
Right.
When I was there, Dan Carter had like a signing session in Durban. She thought it's quite funny to get me white jocks, and she framed it and said, "To Bismarck, with love, Dan Carter." I said to her, "You know what, honey? One day, I'm gonna kill that man." And never in my wildest dream I thought that it will really happen, because he was just too good for me. I've tried to tackle him a million times. 22 kickoff. I'm not the fastest guy ever. And if it was a little bit half a second later, I would have tackled him without the ball. But I was going to tackle him with or without the ball. As soon as I hit him and I fell on the ground, I could hear he's in pain, and he was like, "Oh."